Okay, so if you're like me and you do a lot of filming with your phone and you tend to use the back camera, one of the biggest pain points with doing that is that you can't see yourself whilst you're filming. So sometimes you're not sure if you're in frame or if you're in focus. And the last thing you want to do is actually find out that once you've gone to play back your videos, that something is not right. And a lot of that is down to the fact that there's no suitable, really useful, portable way for you to see yourself using the back camera. You can use the selfie camera, but the quality, it's so low, I wouldn't really recommend it. That's where this comes in. This is the Synco XView M4. It's a mobile wireless monitor with a MagSafe design that you can attach to the back of your phone. And essentially, it mirrors exactly everything you're seeing, and that includes the camera. So now you'll be able to see how you look, if you're in frame, if the focus is correct, and you can actually use this as a Bluetooth remote control to start the recording wirelessly. So let's go ahead and showcase how this works, how it performs, and why I think this is a must-have gadget for any filmmaker that uses their phone to shoot videos. And here's the mobile monitor. This is actually very lightweight. You'll see it's got that classic MagSafe design. In fact, the magnetic strength on this is really good. You can use this very comfortably. It won't add a lot of bulk or weight to your phone when you do attach it. Now, before I go ahead and turn this on and show you how it works, I'll just go through some of the buttons. So the first one there on the left, this allows you to take your photos or videos. It's a shutter button. Secondary, if you just long press this can actually zoom in a little bit if you want to get a little bit closer onto the screen mirroring. And if you short press this, it can actually flip the view horizontally. Or if you long press this, then this can actually rotate between portrait and landscape. And then the last two buttons, you'll see it's got the volume icons and the brightness icons. Short press to change the volume levels, long press each of these to increase or decrease the brightness levels. And I will showcase it at max brightness. There's 3 levels of brightness that you can cycle through. And overall, this gives you around 3 hours of maximum battery life on continuous use from a full charge. So you charge it via USB-C just there at the bottom, and then you have the on-off switch there. So let me go ahead and turn this on. So as soon as it's on, it gives you a bit of guidance on how it works. And as step 1, you can see with the screen projection, all you need to do, if you have an iPhone, you go into screen mirroring, then you select the Synco option. The very first time you do this, it may ask for a PIN code, and the default PIN code is 1234. But you can also use this with an Android phone as well. There's some instructions in the manual that comes in the box on how to do that. Number 2, camera control. You also have to just go into your Bluetooth settings, look for the Synco device. It will come up with photo dash and some digits. Then you'll be able to use this as a Bluetooth shutter as well. Once you've done these two, then it's very simple. As you do with screen mirroring, you go into the option there. You find it, it comes up with Synco. You select this and you'll see everything on your iPhone gets displayed on the XView M4. There we go. And you can see there's hardly any lag. It's around 40 milliseconds of latency, which is incredibly fast. So when you do want to use a mobile monitor like this, latency is very important to make sure that you don't get any lag, because that may confuse you when you are seeing yourself whilst filming. But as you can see, it's quite responsive, and we're going to be testing this out with the camera. So when I do go into the camera, I can then start seeing myself very clearly by using the back camera. And I'm going to switch over the view so you can see how that works. And there you can see I've attached it to the back of my iPhone 16 Pro. I've got it on HD, 60 frames per second. The visual quality on the XView M4 is incredible. The brightness levels, the clarity in the colors, the accuracy, it pretty much matches almost like for like with the iPhone screen. Of course, the iPhone screen itself is of higher quality, but nonetheless, this makes it seem like you are actually looking at your phone screen, which I think is absolutely great. If I just show you a little bit closer, how smooth the quality is, how great that is, this is absolutely a game changer. So I can hold this on my hand, I can leave it mounted with the MagSafe attachment. Now, if I want to have it in my hand, I can use it as a Bluetooth remote, which is going to be the biggest benefit for me. I can make sure that I'm in frame, so I can move further back, center myself, and then I can use that as a way to start the recording. The first button on there is the shutter button. If I just press this once, you can see it's now started recording. So it's matching exactly what you're seeing on my iPhone. And this is going to save me a lot of time. As you can see, it's being recorded there. It's being recorded on here. Synco have done an absolutely amazing job. And I have to say, there's a few of these types of accessories online. You can search them on Amazon, but I've read a lot of their reviews. A lot of them are talking about how laggy it is, how much it just doesn't work, how much it heats up while you're using it. That is not the case with this one. They've done an excellent job with the design and the technology that's gone into this. So I would definitely recommend, if you are going to film with your iPhone, use the back camera and pair that with the Synco XView M4. And finally, I just wanted to showcase some of the other buttons and how they work. If I long press the first one, you can see it's zoomed in. So if you want to get a more clearer picture which fills the entire screen, zooms in a little bit, then you can do that. It doesn't use the telephoto lens. It's not zooming with a different lens. It's just expanding the projection on this mobile monitor. That works very well. So I can come back out. The next one, if I short press, this kind of just flips it horizontally. And the last ones, this will change the brightness levels. So the last one is the brightness dimming. As you can see, it's dimmed it. Now you can barely see it. That's if you're in very extreme dark conditions and you don't want this to interfere with any recording. But I like to leave it on the max brightness, which is this one. So for me, that is incredible. Okay, and the final test is to showcase the portability and the convenience factor if you are going to do any filming outdoors. This is going to make a big difference, so you can see yourself on the screen, and actually you can start using this to start the recording on your phone. So I can set myself at a specific distance from my phone, make sure I'm in frame, I can see everything clearly. This isn't touch screen, which actually is a bonus because I can start the recording by pressing the button, then I can just put the XView M4 in my pocket and then carry on filming. So let me just show you how that looks. So you can see my phone, it's on the tripod just over there. I'm a few meters away, but there you can see I'm in view, everything is in sync, it's in real time, no latency. I'm going to go ahead, start the recording. The recording has now started. So now I can see everything is working. The phone is right there. The selfie monitor goes in my pocket. I can do my filming, and the portability aspect of this is going to save a lot of people a lot of time. So that is a huge bonus with this product. And there we have it. That is the Synco XView M4 mobile monitor. What more can I say? This is a great deal. So make sure to check the link in the description if you are interested in buying one of these. If you enjoyed this video, as always, make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe. This now goes into one of my top 5 must-have accessories for iPhone and MagSafe that I feel every content creator would need. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all next time.